Hi, so this is Dr. Wellman, and we're looking at week 2 here. So in week 2, you're building now toward your final project. You'll see that you're going to be, let's go right into your annotated bibliography. That means that you'll be you'll find about 4 articles, minimum of 4 articles, and you'll see how those must apply to the hypothesis that you presented in week 1. If you need to adjust your hypothesis in week 2, please do so and just put it into your annotated bibliography and say, this is now going to be my hypothesis. This is my annotated bibliography. These are the notes that I have on the articles that are going to help me with my research. So that is the point of this assignment. Let's go to the discussion week 2 question. And you'll see here that we have the midterm exam, which will be open, I think, on Thursday. So let me see if I can open this. The week 2, yeah, here we go. So the week 2 discussion requirements, again, are 3 posts on 3 separate days. Again, you may address one of my questions or answer me. And here you're going to be studying independent and dependent variables. And you'll explain the difference between the independent and dependent variable. Think about how this might relate to your research project, because with methods, you're going to be manipulating variables, and you're going to be, for example, might compare 2 different groups of people and see how they respond to eating chocolate ice cream. And you might say you're going to be manipulating, what would you manipulate? You could manipulate what they're going to eat before the ice cream. Let's say you offer one group of people a chocolate bar. Another group of people, you're going to give them a celery stick. And then after that, you give them chocolate ice cream and see who eats most chocolate ice cream. You might see, so that could show you how salads might have a way of retarding cravings for sugar. Or you might find that eating a chocolate bar or something sugary might intensify a craving for sugar, and they may want more chocolate ice cream. So that's one way of manipulating variables. So you're going to be identifying those. I'll see if I can find some videos for you that give you an example of independent and dependent variables. I will do some research on YouTube for that. All right, I hope you enjoy the week, and be sure to put together your annotated bibliography. This is going to take a while, so give yourself plenty of time. Okay, I'll see you in the classroom.